Okay, we're now going to talk about how we would print our barcode and spine labels and how you can also run an unused barcode report. From the home screen, you go down to Materials. You click on Reports, and once you're under Reports, it's in this middle column, Labels and Cards. Underneath here, you've got several different types of barcodes you can print, or I'm sorry, not barcodes, but several different types of labels you can print. Barcode labels, the pre-print barcode labels, spine labels, or even barcode and spine labels together. Say you needed maybe just the barcode labels. You would click on barcode labels, either pre-print or barcode, either one. You would type in the barcode that you want to, the first label that you needed to start with. It has to be at least 5 numbers. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 9, 9, 9. Number of labels for each item. We just need 1 label for each one. You go over to print, and here they are. They have printed them for us for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 through 1, 2, 9, 9, 9. You can print them, you can export them, whichever one that you need to do. You also have the option of doing just a spine label. With those options, you can set up how you would like for it to print specifically. You put your records in, and for this demonstration, we're just going to leave it on the All Materials. View or print materials. And this pulls up for us. There we go. These are the spine labels, and as you can see, they are vertical. So these would be, you can print them and put these on the spines of your books. One report that's really, or I'm sorry, not report, one label that is really neat, that if it's a brand new book, you're going to want to just go ahead and select the barcode plus the spine labels to go ahead and knock it all out at once. Again, you can set up the dimensions for it. Okay, we're going to stick with just our all materials for this demonstration, or you could put in a specific barcode that you would need, or a barcode range. Go to print our labels. And then here it is going to pull up. Not only is it going to give us our spine label, but it's going to give us our barcode as well. So if this is a brand new title that you're adding to your collection, I would recommend using this tab that has your barcode and your spine labels, and these others you would probably choose to use if you just needed to replace one. While you're creating barcodes, you want to make sure that you are not using a barcode more than once, because then that would be a huge mess that you would create in your library. So in order to find out what barcodes you have and you have not used, you would, underneath the materials and reports, you would come over here to the unused barcodes. You set your options, and you know where your barcodes start and where they end. Or you should have something about an idea of where they start and end. And then you can run this report, and this is going to take a while because of our wide range that we have. This would be useful because maybe, let's say, a book was lost and you ended up removing it from your collection. Well, now that barcode is available for use. So you could use that barcode. So this is very helpful to know what you have used and what you haven't used. And as I said, this is going to take a little time because our collection is so large. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. But this is where you would go to find out what barcodes you have and have not used underneath unused barcodes.